It's so delicious. It's Vancouver Island's pizza reviews.
Hey everyone, it's Clint from Vancouver Island Pizza Reviews. We're here today in Chemainus at Sawmill Taphouse. Had a couple people recommend this place. Jason Verner's Triple Smoke. It looks really, really nice. So they do like wood-fired pizza. This is their Quattro Formaggio. So it's got, I'll have it on the screen, but I think it's got like Gorgonzola, which I've never had. I'll have it on the screen for you guys because I don't want to screw it up, but I think there's like cheddar, mozzarella, Gorgonzola, and one other type. Looks really, really good. Came to like $18 after tax. Shout out to Riot Brewery. I've never seen these guys before, like their actual physical location, but I've heard a lot about them, so come check them out. They're here in the same plaza. So yeah, 9825 Chemainus Road. Let's get a look at it here. Looks really, really nice. Oh, Parmesan. I sprinkled a little Parmesan on there too. They give it to you in a little Dixie cup. Okay. There's definitely no char on the crust, but it feels nice and crispy. Okay, let's get a taco grip here. It's cut well. They've got the paper underneath. It's not perforated, I keep saying that. They've got like the ribbed paper underneath, which isn't my favorite, but it's something. Taste test. Look at that flop. Good flop on that. Wow, that's really tasty. This is gonna sound bad, but it's not supposed to be. McCain frozen. They make like a garlic cheese bread in like the frozen section. It reminds me of that right away. Now obviously this is a lot better because it's not a frozen pizza, but check out the undercarriage there. Pretty white. We're right here in like a roundabout. Get a little shot of the roundabout. So we're just dealing with all sorts of construction and traffic, but this is really good. Yeah, Sawmill pizza. This is solid. Got the crust right here. Couldn't hear a lot of crunch there, but pretty standard with Neapolitan pizza. This is fantastic though, guys. Quick rating on this one: Sawmill pizza, Chemainus. I'll give it a solid I'll give it like an 8.5 out of 10. It's very, very good. If you're in the area, definitely try it. I just found out there's another pizza place in Chemainus called Little Town Pizza, which I didn't even know. Some of the locals told me about it. So we're gonna try and fit that one in here today, but we'll see. Anyways, on to the next one, guys.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching my review of the Quattro Formaggio from Sawmill Taphouse. Please subscribe on YouTube and hit that like button if you can. Cheers!